everyone, today I'm going to show you how I cook my pigeon peas with some coconut milk, and this is going to be so delicious. Now here I have some tripe and some pigtail. I did wash it with some vinegar and salt. I also have some pigeon peas that I soaked for 2 hours. I washed and drained all that water out from these pigeon peas now. I also have some chives and some Guyana fine thyme. And this is some ginger that I did grate and I freeze them. I did the same with the garlic. That's why it's looking like this. And I freeze them and place them into Ziploc bags so that it can make my life easier. I don't have to stop and peel and grate, okay? I have some complete seasoning, some cubes, some salt, and paprika. Now over medium heat, I place my pressure cooker. I add a little oil, and once the oil gets hot, I'm now adding the meat. And let the meat fry for about 2 minutes. Don't mind the stalks on the thyme, guys. That's okay. I'm gonna get it out. I like to put the stalks. It gives me a lot of flavor in my food. Here I'm adding my pigeon peas. So I did add 1.25 cups water, and I'm gonna pressure this for 10 minutes. While that is being done, I did cut up some onion, garlic, and also some red hot pepper, and the pepper is optional. I also have some grated coconut, and I'm going to pour some water and squeeze it so that I would get some milk out of this coconut. Now I have my coconut milk, and I'm going to head right over back to the pressure cooker. I'm releasing the steam, and this is what the peas and the meat looks like. There is no liquid at all, guys, and I'm good at this. I can average, I can tell the time the water is gonna finish because I use the pressure cooker a lot. Now I'm going to be adding the onion, garlic, and pepper, and let this fry for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes of frying, here I'm going to add the coconut milk. Look at how thick this is. Yes, this milk is all good from a very dried coconut. Look at this. I'm also adding some cubes. I'm also adding some complete seasoning. I did add some paprika, guys, earlier. And I'm not going to pressure this now. I'm just going to let this boil until it goes down to my likeness. All right, I don't want too much of liquid. I'm also adding just a little touch of sugar. This is the secret ingredient here. This is going to give me the real flavor I'm looking for. Not sweet, but it just cuts in with that coconut milk. Look at what the stew peas looks like. Now I'm going to pour this over into a dish. And look at this, guys. My stewed pigeon peas with tripe and pigtail along with the coconut milk gives it that nice, rich, creamy flavor and texture, guys. Trust me, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe, hit that notification bell so that you will be notified when I upload another video. And don't you forget to check the description box below. Guys, please enjoy this meal. I did serve my stewed beans with some white rice, some tomatoes, and some cucumber. Enjoy, and I will see you in the next video. See you soon.